patient. I'm paper chasing. These niggas hating. These niggas sneaking.
It's your boy Smitty, wicked ass gunner, you feel me? You ain't getting this book, your barber can't cut.
I lost my dog, you left me broken. Feeling all this pain, I can't control it. Smoking all this dope to keep me focused. And you know that gang, we push emotion. Oh no, and they gon' slide up on your block and I'ma slide up on theirs. Got some shooters on the roof, I see your shooters upstairs. Niggas clueless and ratatouille, got a stick and get ruined. Pick up the phone and call my number if you tryna get to it. And I'm intoxicated, my head hurt. This lean got me feeling like I'm see, I was snake, but my main focus is to stay solid. How the fuck I'm supposed to win when I keep losing? They took my dog, I lost it all, they left me cool. Just keep your head up, just be a soldier. Just stack your bread up, don't let them fold up. These niggas be hating false allegations. I see the paper, not chasing. On my girl, I take my time because I'm basically waiting.
Hey, how they say that, man? One out of two, man. Big thing, you understand me? We ain't getting no butt. Well, we can't cut.
I'm paper chasing, I'm steady waiting. I'm paper chasing, cause I'm a soldier.
What's good with the YouTube? It's Fade Guy E, man. Today, I got my boy Tino coming all the way from Ohio, bro. He say he found me on Booksy, so this should be dope. He's doing a mid-fade, straight hair texture. Also, bro, he's Laos too, just like me, so this should be fire, bro. Let's get it. Hey, but before we get started with this video, man, y'all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe if y'all want to see more content. I'm dropping more tutorials. Whatever videos y'all want to see, put it in the comments so I can know, man. Love y'all, man. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, so just like I said, man, Tino is from Ohio and he's currently down here for a little while, and he said he found me on Booksy, bro. And I thought it was dope just to share with you guys. You know, I really don't come across people who's just like me, and when I say that, I mean I'm Asian and black, I'm Laos and black, and he's fully Laos, you know what I'm saying? So I really don't come across a lot of people like that, and it was a touching moment for me, you know what I'm saying? When I meet people like that, I try to lock in with them and learn what I can, you know. I don't really know my culture. I don't really know that side of myself, you know. I just know the black culture. I just know Louisiana, you know. And sometimes I want to learn more. So I started with clipper clothes, all the way closed, no guard. We're going to throw that step of starting with the trimmer out the window, bro. We're going to do that last, you know. We're going to bald out last, all right? So it was fairly quick. It wasn't too long, you know what I'm saying? I got through this haircut pretty fast, you know. I've been cutting for a while, so most of it was detail work for me. And he also didn't want to take nothing off the top, so I'm gonna close, open, then I'm gonna go in with a 4-guard to blend to the top, and then the rest is just gonna be shear work. So it was pretty easy, man. You know, and I got to thinking, like, bro, why not just incorporate your culture with your YouTube? Let me know how y'all feel about that. When I say that, I mean, like, let's learn words together. Let's learn how to make dishes. Let's travel. You know what I'm saying? Maybe we could take a trip to Laos. You know what I'm saying? One day. That would be fire to me. So let me know if you guys are like that, because I want to learn my culture as much. I want to learn it a lot, you know what I'm saying? I want to teach it to my kids. I want them to try to learn something, or, you know what I'm saying? Different things, you know, other than just where I come from, other than just Louisiana, you know what I'm saying? All right, y'all, so we taking that big guard and we going up, you know what I'm saying? We scooping up. We getting all that debulk out. Everything, y'all gonna see that he has I don't even know what that is, like a colic or something. It was just poking up like a porcupine, so I had to take my shears and do the rest of the work. I ain't gonna lie, at first I was like, man, this coming out ugly. I was like, bro, did I go too low with the guard, or, you know what I'm saying, like, did I go too low of a guard? And you just gotta trust the process sometimes. And I was like, okay, I see it. You know what I'm saying? I started seeing it, and it was, it was really fire. So yeah, man, just consistently be patient, man. Just build patience, self-evaluate, look at what you can do better, you know what I'm saying? just see the process through. That's what's gonna make you a better barber. Also, man, practice versatility, bro. Don't just cut one type of hair. Learn everything. If you love barbering, bro, treat it as an art. Treat it with respect. You know what I'm saying? As y'all can see, man, I'm doing one stroke scoops, really, really slow. And I have the blade positioned flat to the head because I started seeing, like, I thought I was going too low, but then I was like, man, I just gotta keep going. So I started slowing down the process and taking my time doing one scoop and then comb it out, scoop, comb it out. Then now, you know what I'm saying, I'm moving a little bit faster because I started seeing the process and working my way down. So y'all, man, I also started filming for my movie, right? And y'all, this thing is gonna be fire, bro. Just be on the lookout. I'm gonna drop it on this channel, and I'm also gonna drop it on Tubi. I won't release too much right now, but just know that it's gonna be a horror film, and y'all, I'm playing in it. So just imagine me trying to juggle all of this, you know what I'm saying, cutting, making content, and then filming, acting, you know, producing, directing, everything in a movie all at one time, bro. It's a lot, bro. So y'all just be patient with me. I'm gonna try to drop consistently. It might not be every day, but I'm gonna try to drop consistently for you guys, man. I noticed that y'all like the tutorials, and I go back and look at the comments, and you know what I'm saying, so I appreciate that. I'm gonna drop as much as I can, try to be attentive as much as I can. Also, just keep commenting, bro. Like, I love it, you know what I'm saying? Thank y'all for showing me that y'all want my work, so let's get it, man. So I also forgot to tell y'all too, another reason why I was excited to show this video was that he's also in the military. So that was something I want to share too. So I know he ain't no celebrity, you know what I'm saying, this and that, but we appreciate you for your service, bro. I do, for sure. So. So it took a little minute, but as you can see, it's finally getting there. And I ain't gonna lie, my nerves were up and down. Like, look how it's starting to begin, like, to make that blurry effect. And like I say, you just have to trust the process. You just have to keep going. Don't stop. Just keep going. You're gonna get that finish that you're looking for. You know what I'm saying? If you stop, you will never reach the finish line. We already know that. You know, it's no progress. I'd rather do slow than no. You know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all. So there y'all can see it, man. It's pretty blurry. Came out dope. Now, this is the part where I was telling y'all he has a colic that was sticking up. You know what I'm saying? I'm just thinning it out. Not going too low. I'm using a shear over comb technique. And that's how I finished out the rest of my cut, to blend all of that debug. All that, make all that blurriness. You know what I'm saying? Extra saucy. And if you don't know how to use shears, bro, I suggest you just take your time, practice. The more and the only way you're gonna learn is by using them. You gotta try them. You can't duck it, you know what I'm saying? You gotta try to get haircuts that have straight hair that need shear work. That's the only way that I got better, you know what I'm saying? So barbering is like, you can't just constantly watch video and hope that you get better. You actually have to do this hands-on. That's the only way you're gonna get better, I promise you. Even if you have to move very slow, you know what I'm saying? Take your time. I don't like to rush things anymore. Like, I love patience. I love time. Now, I ain't finna take 2 to 3 hours on you, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just saying, I'm making sure that I'm putting in the right amount of time, if that makes sense. And this is not done. You know, I gotta do what I just did around the whole head. And then also, well, he didn't want to touch the top, so I don't remember if I did the top. I don't think I did. But I blended the sides in to match this haircut. And I kept it light with the lineup, man. He already had the sides, like, you know what I'm saying? It blended with the fade, so I really didn't touch. I just did like a light tap with the trimmers. And then I came back with the razor, and you know, I really did. Didn't want to touch the facial hair too, even though he doesn't really have none. You know? But yeah, y'all, back to this movie. Bro, it's gonna be dope. When y'all see me on the camera, bro, I'm like, it's crazy. It's crazy. I want to tell y'all, but I don't. I can't, you know what I'm saying? I just want it to be a surprise, bro. I really hope that y'all love this, because it's like my first project, my first horror movie. But yeah, so far, y'all, in the comments, let me know how y'all think this is coming out. You know what I'm saying? I'm not, I don't know everything, but let me know what techniques y'all try in the comments, bro, on this type of hair. Like, let me know what y'all do, or what y'all do. That look pretty blurry to me, man. And right there, he just telling me how he wants to style, if he wants it styled or not. So, and in the end, he actually loved the haircut. He ended up tipping me like $20, bro. I thought that was dope. Which I really don't be looking for the tips, but you know, it's always fire. So just forming that line on this vertical bars, combing it out, you know. There we go. Now I got the statement, and y'all gonna see me warm it up, and then I'm just gonna apply it, make it look how, you know, I want it to look, how he wants it to look. Sometimes I'll just let them style it. I'll just apply the statement and let them style it, because sometimes, you know, they gonna wear their hair every day, so they gotta wear their hair. I'm not wearing it, and I'll get them to show me how they want it, and if not, you know, I let them style it themselves. So I'm kind of new to the styling game, you know, so I'm just learning, you know. It's all about creativity, you know. Alright, so man, this is almost the finished product. Let me know, man, in the comments how y'all think I did. Let me know if this video helped y'all along the way. Movie dropping soon. Please stay tuned. I've been dropping shorts. If I haven't been dropping big videos, bro, I've been dropping shorts. So check out my shorts, my YouTube community. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if this video helped y'all. I will be trying to stay more consistent, guys. I'm gonna try to drop more consistently. I can't promise every day, but I'm gonna drop consistently. And as I get better, you know what I'm saying, I'm just gonna get better and just keep posting for you guys. So I love y'all, man. Let's continue to grow this family. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Let me know what y'all wanna see, man. I need to see the engagement. Love y'all, man. I'm out.